Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Techstar, and in today's video we are going to discuss about why our transparent silicone phone cases turn yellowish after some time. So without wasting much time, let's get started. More than 70% consumers will face a problem that their phone case will turn yellow after they purchased it from the store and used it for a while. Clear's phone cases are normally made from silicone, a polymer that's popular for its inexpensive and flexible properties. Unfortunately, these polymers turn yellow as they age. This natural process is accelerated when they are exposed to excessive amount of chemicals, light and heat. The main reason why your silicone case turns yellowish after some time is due to the UV radiation of the sun. If you usually use your smartphone with the case outdoor, the case will turn yellowish after some time due to the UV radiation coming from the sun, which the silicone case absorbs, and in turn your silicone case turns yellowish. The second major reason is the heat generated from the smartphone. Your phone case absorbs the heat generated from the smartphone, and in return your phone case turns yellow as it is sensitive to heat. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel Techstar.